Listen, in school and college, there is a rule book to be successful. You do the assignments, you memorize shit, you score high in exams, you get good grades, you're winning, you're first, you feel awesome. But in real life, that's not how things work. In real life, there is no system, no rule book. Firstly, you will be struggling to get a good job and you will be under so much stress, and once you get a good job, after a few months you will be like having sleepless nights thinking, what the fuck I'm doing with my life? I want to do something impactful, more meaningful, I want to earn more, and you will start getting miserable again. Then you'll probably build up the courage and leave your job and start your own something, a business or a personal brand, and you will end up not getting followers or no sales, and then you will burn all your savings as well, and you will start getting under stress again, and you will be like, what the fuck I'm doing with my life, and you will start hating everyone else, including the system and including yourself. So what is the solution? The only approach that works in real life is to keep experimenting and keep testing. No matter if you have to change your job 6 times in the first year or fail at 10 different startups over 5 years, do not stay still. Become ruthless in cutting what is not working and testing something new. You will have some time where things are not working, where you'll feel confused, you keep testing new things and you will not be getting results. And then suddenly there will be explosion. You will start getting results and you'll find your groove. You will start winning at life.